Hello learners, and welcome back to our fifth question that reads 18ax in bracket 3a minus 4x close the bracket multiplied by 3a plus 4x in bracket divided by 3a plus 8x. So this question is derived from quadratic expressions, partly from one work, partly from two work. So when you're given this kind of a question, first and foremost, you're supposed to expand this part and clearly looking at what you have here, that is in these two brackets, this is a difference of two squares. It's a difference of two squares. If you remember, a difference of two squares reads a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b and a plus b. And that is clearly what we have in our question, what we have in our question here. So we have 18ax minus, open our bracket, a squared minus b squared. So our a squared in this case will be 3a, and our b squared will be 4x. So this gives us 9a squared, and this gives us 16x squared. So therefore, here we have 9a squared minus 16x squared divided by 3a plus 8x. 3a plus 8x. Then we proceed, that is the first step. The second step to this question is we work out this bracket. We remove this bracket, which you have 18ax minus 9a squared. Negative times a negative gives us a positive, 16x squared, everything divided by 3a plus 8x. So rearranging our numerator, we have 16x squared plus 18ax minus 9a squared divided by 3a plus 8x. At that point, you will be required to expand. We expand the numerator. Expand the numerator. So how do we expand? Recall what we said about expanding a quadratic expression. So we get the product. Product will be 16 times negative 9 to give us negative 144. And our sum is 18. Our sum is 18, which is positive. So we need to get to factors of negative 144 such that if we add the two, we should get a positive 18. So in this case, the product is negative, but the sum is positive. What does that tell us? This tells us that one of the factors of our negative 44 will be negative, and the other one will be a positive. And the negative number, of course, will be the smaller number since our sum is positive. And the two factors of 144, that we have 24 and 6. So 24 plus 6 is 30. 24 times 6 is 144, but we need our product to be negative. That's where the negative comes in. So 24 plus minus 6 will be 18. 24 times negative 6 will be negative 144. So we're going to replace the middle part with 24 and negative 6. So we have 16x squared plus 24ax minus 6ax minus 9a squared divided by 3a plus 8x. Then you can go ahead and factorize. So we group the first in pairs, the first group and the second group, or the first pair and the second pair. So clearly in the first pair, what is common? 1x is common. Again, the same, you can see that clearly 8 is common in both cases. So we have 8x, 16x squared divided by 8x gives us 2x. 24ax divided by 8x gives us plus 3a. Next pair, we have 6ax and 9a squared. So a is common, and also you can see 3 is a factor here, 3 is a factor here. So comfortably you can say that negative 3a is common, so we factor it out. So 6ax divided by 3a gives us 2x. Negative 9a squared divided by negative 3a gives us positive 3a. And everything is divided by 3a plus 8x. So again, we factor out the common, which is 2x plus 3a, 2x plus 3a, to give us 2x plus 3a, 8x minus 3a, divided by 3a plus 8x. Yeah, looking at this, our second bracket and our denominator, they have something in common. So we can go ahead and factor out negative 1 in our denominator, so that we end up having 2x plus 3a, 8x minus 3a. Yeah, this gives us divided by, sorry, this was a negative. This was a negative, sorry for that. It's supposed to be a negative. So this gives us 3a. We factor out negative 1, so that we have 8x minus 3a, 8x minus 3a, and that cancels with that, so that our answer will be 2x plus 3a divided by negative 1, which is negative 2x plus 3a as our final answer. Sorry for that, the question was a negative, not a positive. Question is supposed to be 3a plus minus 8x. 3a minus 8x. That is, the question is supposed to read the denominator, is supposed to be 3a minus 8x. Sorry for that. So this is the required working for that question. 18ax minus 3a minus 4x, pen another bracket, 3a plus 4x divided by 3a minus 8x. This is supposed to be our working till you get to the final answer. Bye bye. See you in our next question.